Now this is time to test your knowledge about Google Sheet, how much you know about Google Sheet. So there are 20 questions. You have to give the answer of this 20 question, and by giving this answer you can check your level where you stay. So just I am going to start this video. Just read out the question and try to give answer honestly so you can check yourself. So this first question is, Google Sheet saves your changes automatically. Yes, this is true, because whenever you are working with Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide or other, so basically what happen when you are writing, when you are doing anything, this is save automatically. There is no any save button. Even Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, whatever we are using, uh, online services which is provided by Google, that save automatically. So this is correct option, that is true. Second question, a group of cell is called a group of cell is called a cell range, because there is no any concept of cell cluster, chart or multi cell. So correct option is cell range. Now, which of the following feature allow you to narrow down the data in your sheet? So basically narrow down means giving some filter data. So here correct option is filter. When you are using filter in Google Sheet, basically it's give minimum data which is required to you. Now why would you want to freeze row in your spreadsheet or data sheet or Excel sheet, you can say, or Google Sheet? So basically why we freeze row? Basically we want to freeze row only, at least we can scroll the data and we can see by making freeze rows as a common. So here you can see the correct option is first one, to scroll through the spreadsheet while continuing to see the frozen row. Means कहने का मतलब है कि सपोज 5-6 कॉलम आप यूज कर रहे हैं, आपने एक रो में हेडर बना रखा है, सपोज नेम एंड सम अदर थिंग्स, आप चाहते हो कि पहली रो फिक्स रहे और बाकी डेटा हमारा हम मूव करके देख सके. इन दिस केस वी मेक फर्स्ट रो इज जस्ट वी मेक फर्स्ट रोज फ्रीज, या फर्स्ट रो को हम फ्रीज कर लेते हैं, फिर बाकी डेटा को हम स्क्रॉल कर सकते हैं. उस केस में हम फ्रीज रो, फ्रीज कॉलम या फ्रीज पेन यूज करते हैं. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज स्क्रॉल थ्रू द स्पीड. Now next question is, formula should always begin with. So whenever you are going to write any function or formula in Google Sheet or Excel, generally formula start with equal sign. Generally mostly every formula start with equal sign. What symbol is used to represent the multiplication in a formula? So here star is used to represent multiplication in a formula. What does the average function do? So basically average function return the average of a range of values. So here correct option. Now which of the following symbol are recognized as a mathematical operator within Google Sheet? So basically this is also used, this is also, this is also, this is also, this is also, this is not used. So these are correct option. Now question is, what is difference between edit and comment SS in Google Sheet? So edit SS can changes in the file, while comment SS only leave comment. So first option is correct, because edit and comment level have not same SS, because edit means you can edit the data, comment means only you can comment, you cannot edit the data. So there is difference. So editor can edit the data and commenter only can comment the data. So first option is correct. Now question is, which function would you add the values of several cells? So when you are going to add value of several cells, so for that we use sum formula. Which of the following is absolute cell reference? So as we know, in Google Sheet there are two cell references. One is relative cell reference, one is absolute cell reference. Relative means your data will change accordingly value of cell. Absolute means your data will be fixed. For making a row or a column absolute, we use dollar sign. So in four option you can see only one option have dollar sign, so this represent absolute cell reference. Now according to order of operation, which calculation come first in the following formula? So this is just like a mathematical formula. Firstly we solve the bracket, so here 12 minus 3 will be solved firstly. Now how you can see who access to Google Sheet file? So when you share your Google file, there is a option also a share button. So when you are clicking on the share button, you can see how many people are accessing or who has access your file. So by clicking on that tool share button, you can check it. So click on the share button in the Google toolbar. This is correct option. Most function contain one or more argument in parentheses. So when you are writing function equal, then we use parentheses, then you pass argument. There can be one argument, two argument, more than two argument. So option is argument. Now how you can print a specific range of cell in Google Sheet file? So firstly you have to select the range of cell you want to print, then click on the print in the toolbar. So this is best way, because there are multiple type of printing option. One, you can print whole workbook, you can print whole sheet, also you can print selected area. So in this case, firstly you have to select that particular area, then click on the print. So this is correct option. No, sorry, select the range of cell you want to print, then click on the file in the toolbar, then select the print. So this one is correct option. Which function you would use to combine the contents of two or more cells in Google Sheet? So max is used for finding the max value, sum is for summing the file value, average for averaging. Here correct option is concatenate, that is used to combine content of two or more cells. How you can apply currency format to range of cell in Google Sheet? So for this you have to click on the number format in the toolbar and choose the currency. How you can easily and safely share a Google Sheet file with specific people? So when you are going to sharing your Google Sheet file, just mention there also their email address and select their SS level. What does the sort sheet by column feature in the Google Sheet allow to do? So basically this is sort data by the column header. Now this is last question. What is benefit of using the filter view feature in the Google Sheet? So basically when you are using filter view feature in Google Sheet, basically that is used for create custom charts. So this is correct option. So here you can see your result. I think we have made two mistakes. So by seeing this video you can find out where you have made a mistake. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.